Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to go over our reading strategies again. So I'm going to pick a different book today to go over some ways that we can figure out some tricky words. So on this side I have our bookmark, reading strategies. Eagle eye, look at the picture. Lips the fish, get your lips ready. Skippy frog, skip over the word. Flippy dolphin, flip the vowel sounds. Chunky monkey, look for word chunks. Stretchy snake, stretch that word out and then blend it together. Trying lion, does it make sense? And helpful kanga, which we try not to use, where you can ask for help. All right, so today I have one of our favorites, Pete the Cat. Our book is called Pete the Cat, Pete's Big Lunch, created by James Dean. Here comes Pete. Now this word that he's thinking, I'm not quite sure what it would be. So let me try and stretch it out. And that's a digraph. It makes the ch sound. Ch. Lunch. It is, I'm not sure what that word is. But I know I just read lunch on that page. So let me try and stretch this word out. Lunch That doesn't make sense. Let me try Flippy the dolphin. And let me figure out this chunk of the word. This must be a magic E. He gives all his power to the I. So I says it's long sound. It says I. It is lunchtime. Pete is ready to eat. What should Pete eat? I'm not sure. That's a pretty big word. Let me use my eagle eye. Pete's thinking about something. Would be nice. That's a sandwich. A sandwich would be nice. Yes, Pete wants a sandwich. Pete opens the... I'm not sure what that word can be, but I'll use my eagle eye. And I know this is a refrigerator. But let me look. Refrigerator. If I use lips the fish, I know that doesn't say r. That makes the f sound. So I know another word for this is called a fridge. Pete opens the fridge. He takes out a loaf of bread. He finds a yummy I'm not sure, lips, it makes the f sound. And I see the digraph sh at the end. Fish. He finds a yummy fish. He adds tomato and mayo. Pete looks at his sandwich. It is too small. Something is missing. Pete knows what it needs. His sandwich needs an apple. Pete loves apples. His sandwich needs crack. I know this chunk. This is a blend. We learned about CK. It makes the k sound at the end. Crackers. Crackers are crunchy. Pete loves crunchy crackers. Pete looks at his sandwich again. It is still too small. Pete is very hungry. Now this page, I can figure out all the thing that Pete needs to add to his sandwich because there's all pictures. So I can use my eagle eye for all of these. Pete adds a pickle. Pete adds cheese. cheese. Pete adds an egg, 2 hot dogs, a banana, and a bean. That doesn't say beans. Can of beans. Pete is very hungry. Something is missing. Pete adds ice cream. He takes 3 huge scoops. Pete's sandwich is too big for Pete to eat. Pete wonders what to do. Pete thinks and thinks. I've got it, Pete says. Pete calls all of his friends. He asks them to come over. Everyone goes to Pete's house. They are all very hungry. Pete shows them his big lunch. Are you hungry? Asks Pete. Pete's sandwich is big enough for everyone. Dig in, says Pete. Pete's sandwich is good. Pete's sandwich is very good. Pete's sandwich is all gone. Pete's friends are full. They liked Pete's big lunch. Thanks for lunch, Pete's friends say. Thanks for sharing. What a good friend Pete is. You're welcome, Pete says. Sharing is cool. So today, when you're practicing reading, I want you to practice using your strategies. And when you're all done reading, I want you to fill out your exit slip where you circle your strategy you used and you tell me what word gave you a little bit of trouble. Remember, try not to use helpful kanga unless you really need help.